Welcome to the Martin Bailey Photography Podcast. It's September 19, 2024, and this is episode 841. A few episodes ago, I mentioned that I would put together a tour of my new studio space, which is audio-centric. My photography studio is now in a separate room downstairs in our new home in the Gunma Prefecture, an hour or so northwest of Tokyo. If you recall my studio space in Tokyo, I had a background pulley system for portrait and product shots, and that is still what I have in the room downstairs, along with my cameras and microscopes, etc. The room is still in a bit of a mess after our move though, so if it's worth covering that, I'll share a video on that as well in due course. The decision to make my main workroom audio-centric was really because I will continue to create the podcast, though less frequently now, and I wanted to make it easy to create music, which I've been doing mainly for background music for my video productions and the podcast background music for many years now. Of course, I also process my images in this space, but that requires a computer and a place to sit, so this new space also works fine. Anyway, in the video, I walk you through the space discussing some music production, and I share details of the audio setup, including considerations for someone getting started in podcasting. However, as you'll see, my setup is far more complex than what a beginner needs. The main goal of my latest edition, a Behringer Ultra Voice UV1 mic preamp and voice processor, is to enable me to run some processing on my voice in real time, and that along with a new large diaphragm condenser mic. The AKG C214 provides the best sounding audio I've been able to achieve so far, both for recording and real time for interviews, etc. The problem though is that the AKG C214 is a studio mic, which picks up every stray noise in the recording space, so during the summer months I will have to revert to one of two other great mics, my Rode Procaster or Hale PR40, as the Behringer UV1 cannot process out the sound of my air conditioning picked up by the AKG C214. The Procaster and Hale, being dynamic mics as opposed to a condenser mic, are not quite as sensitive and therefore don't have that problem. Few people will be able to tell the difference in regular listening conditions. For those of you who listen with high quality headphones though, you'll notice a difference, and I demonstrate that to a degree in the video. I finish with a section of me playing the first 90 seconds of Debussy's Clair de Lune, one of my favourite classical pieces. It's not perfect by a long shot, but that's as far as I've gotten in learning the entire piece, so I figured I'd include it. Please check out the video at mbp.ac/841, and if you have a pair of good quality headphones, stick them on and you'll notice the difference. I've also included the affiliate links from the video, and note that they are all Amazon affiliate links, so clicking on them may result in us receiving a small payment. Thank you for supporting the MBP podcast. But thanks very much for checking out the video and for listening today. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn and Threads, and links to everything that I'm up to are at martinbaileyphotography.com, so do drop by and take a look. I'll be back soon with another episode. But in the meantime, take care and have a great week, whatever you're doing. Bye bye.